everyone. Welcome to the Wonderful Channel. Today, we are at Ishiki Port in Nishio City, Aichi Prefecture. From here, we'll be taking a ferry from Ishiki Port to an island called Sakushima. Sakushima is famous for its many art installations, with a whopping 24 contemporary art installations scattered throughout the island. And of course, on an island rich in nature like Sakushima, we will be able to enjoy unique landscapes surrounded by the sea. We can't wait to see what the island has in store for us. Since we still have time until the ferry departs, we're going to check out the nearby market, Sakana Hiroba. There are all kinds of fresh fish on display, and they all look delicious. Oh, this is their famous shrimp senbei. Let's buy some as a snack for the trip. It's almost departure time, so we head back to the port. This is the Daisan Sachikazego, the vessel that will carry us to Sakushima. Let's board the boat right away. At last, it's time to set sail. Let's go! Sakushima is a small island located in Mikawa Bay. There are 7 round trips a day, with each one-way trip taking about 25 minutes. For our visit today, we're going to cycle around the island to see each of the art installations, to better experience the nature on the island. Before we know it, we're already docked and ready to disembark. The weather is so lovely. A nice breeze is blowing. It's the perfect location. Such a quiet and serene view. Before we rent our bicycles for the day, we're going to take a quick walk to see the artwork around the harbour. And right away, we stumble upon our first artwork installation of the day. This piece is called The Renovation of the Nishiko Ferry Terminal Waiting Room. We have a clear view of the harbour from the large windows here. Looking out at the harbour through them, it's like Sakushima itself becomes the artwork framed in the window's perspective. There's another installation here. This one is called the Treasure Ship Sachikaze. For this one, it appears you have to peek inside this blue box to see it. Let's take a peek inside. There's a treasure ship. This installation represents the wish that the people, goods, culture, and ideas that the city-run ferry Sachikaze carries will become a treasure for the island. Next to the treasure ship Sachikaze is the third art installation, Welcome to Sakushima, Chifuku Kaenman. Hold on. This installation is actually one of the popular face cutout boards found in many tourist destinations across Japan. We have to take a photo here to commemorate our trip to Sakushima. As we walk closer to the port, the houses that line the streets here are all painted black. Why is that so? Apparently, there is a reason unique to islands for doing this. Due to their proximity to the ocean, The houses here experience salt damage. So to protect them, a special black paint known as coal tar is applied to the exteriors. These streets, lined with black-walled houses, have become popular tourist destinations because of their unique appearance. Passing the black-walled streets, we head towards the beach. This area is so beautiful and overflowing with greenery. A 10-minute walk later, there is an installation you just have to see. Aha! There it is! We've come across the fourth installation, the Nap House. Perched here on the beach is the Nap House, the most famous art installation on Sakushima Island. Let's head on in. How wonderful! The water in Mikawa Bay is shimmering and gorgeous. You can spend a relaxing and splendid time here. The squares are the perfect size. The sea breeze blowing through them and the sound of the waves lapping on the shore create the ideal serene and relaxing environment. It's so perfect, it feels like you could just take a nap here. It is a wonderful piece of art that can be enjoyed with all 5 senses. It's also the perfect place to enjoy our shrimp senbei. The shrimp flavor is rich and delicious. It's finally time to rent a bike and find the rest of the installations scattered throughout the island. Cycling around the island, we should be able to enjoy both the beautiful nature and art installations at the same time, right? We can't possibly share them all and properly do them justice in a 10-minute video. Which means we'll be back again soon with part 2 to show you the rest. If you're looking forward to seeing the rest, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching this far. See you in the next video.